morning, everyone. My topic is assessing influence social media marketing activity on cosmetic brand awareness. So, there are problem statement is cosmetic brands facing a significant challenges in efficiently leverage social media to the boost brand awareness among the consumers. So, now discussing aim and scope. So, analyzing impacting social media marketing activities, focus on brand awareness metrics. So analyze the impacting social media marketing advertise. Your study will be delve into the connection between social media marketing and brand awareness in the cosmetic brands. So you have both research questions in social media marketing. So research questions, key points. What are the most common and efficient social media marketing employed by the cosmetic brand? This include analyzing content types, engagement strategies, and advertising approaches. So, impact on brand awareness metrics. How do this influence brand awareness metrics? So, there are objectives in brand marketing research. So, identify efficiency strategies, quantity, the impact, hypothesis one, hypothesis two, key variables, and social media marketing. So, influence marketing impact in independent variable, dependent variable, market moderating variable. So, propose the research designing the mixed methods approach. So your research design will be employ and mixed methods approach, combining qualitative and quantitative research methods again to understanding of the relation between social media marketing advert in the brand awareness. So final conclusion is strategic insight. Your research will provide valuable insight of cosmetic brands offering the for developing efficient social media marketing strategies, enhance brand awareness.